Hello everyone, hello, how's it going? My name is Mr. Fix-It, and today we got some work to do on this riding tractor. When we drop in the deck, this is going to be a 3-part video. We got multiple things to do here. Here is our part number, or model number. And yeah, picked this up at a yard sale, and we got some work to do on it. Let's get set up for our parts and our tools, and we'll be right back. And here we are with 2 mulching blades, 2 spindles, a deck belt, a drive belt, vice grips, brake clean, a cable engagement, some impact tools, a light source, a drill, and some impact bits if we need it along the way. So first, what we need to do is drop that deck and pull the pins out and slide it out and put it on the back of our tailgate. So we're going to get set up, and I'll be right back. And under here we have a sway bar linkage right here with a pin right here. Just like that. Another pin right here. Gonna pull that out. Drops right down. So now what we've done, we took the pin out of the sway bar linkage. We took the pin out of there. We took the pin off of that. Dropped our belt. And we're gonna move on to the other side. Drop this pin right here. There we go. Oh. I'm gonna drop that rod right there. Just like that. Now we got 2 more pins, 3 more pins. We have a pin right here, right there, and the engagement cable right here, right in there. Alright, we've taken off this pin, the engagement cable pin, and this pin. So this pin should just drop right off, just like that. The engagement cable pin, right there, right there. All I gotta do is lift up on that cable now. And then this one right here. This one's a little bit trickier. There is like a cotter pin clip right there that needs to be pushed up to pop that up. And here is that clip right there. Right there. Now this should just drop right off. And here we go. We got it up on here. Now a little bit of note to self. Follow the pattern where it goes. You'll find a V-shaped in the belt that fits right perfect in these pulleys. So it goes upper, through, and down. This belt is pretty worn, very loose, cracked. It's awful. Got some pulleys that need to be replaced here soon. Shouldn't make any sound at all. So, yeah. I already got these bolts already mapped out for tools. This is a 13 for these bolts. There's 3 of them. Oh, you can't see it. 3 of them. And then this one for the pulleys is a 22 metric. Alright, so let's get to the video. Not video, but replacement. There we go, got the fucker out. Take the pulley right off. It's in good condition. Note which way it's up. This one was up. Rust is on the bottom. So I'm going to set this aside with the socket and nut nearby, knowing that it's up. This belt is fucked. Now don't be afraid if you break those bolts off, because you got new ones. Fucker's not coming off. Get that out of the way. Alright, now that we got the spindle off, unfortunately the shroud, I couldn't find a matching bolt for that, so I'm going to pick this up later. That'll be on another video. And we'll replace that whole entire shroud cover, you know. And you got the covers underneath, got to reinstall those. The pulleys, the brackets that fit like that, or like that, and the spring stretches out. But anyway, yeah, we'll get this back together and we'll be right back with you.